In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TurboTax Canada. If you're tackling your taxes this season and want a seamless experience, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head to the TurboTax official site. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a homepage designed to make tax filing easy and straightforward. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout to ensure a smooth navigation process throughout the process. Now it's time to log in. Look for the sign in button, usually located at the top right of the page. A quick click on that button will prompt you to enter your credentials. If you're a returning user, simply input your email and password, and if you're new to TurboTax, just follow the prompts to create your account. Creating an account is straightforward, just follow the guided steps provided on screen to get started. Once signed in, navigate to the TurboTax homepage. Here you'll find an intuitive dashboard that gives you a snapshot of your tax filing journey. Think of it as your personal control center where all the magic happens. This is where you can start a new return or pick up right where you left off. To ensure everything is correct, make your way to the review/edit section. This is your go-to spot for double checking the details of your tax return. TurboTax does a great job of making this step easy by flagging any areas that might need another look. So, take a good look around this section to ensure that everything aligns with your records. Next, let's delve into your personal profile. Here, you'll update or confirm your personal information. It might seem mundane, but this step is crucial. By ensuring that your name, address, and other details are accurate, you set a strong foundation for precisely filing your taxes. Now, with your personal details in check, proceed to enter your specific personal information. This would include any additional personal identifiers required for accurate tax processing. You want to make sure everything here matches precisely with any documentation or forms you might have received. The next step is reporting your income. TurboTax simplifies this process by guiding you through the necessary income fields. It's important to have all your T-slips and income statements at the ready. Take your time here to input each one accurately, ensuring that nothing is left out. This way you're setting yourself up for a more accurate return and minimizing discrepancies. And that's how you effectively use TurboTax Canada. Thanks for following along today. Remember, taking each step carefully ensures a smooth and accurate filing experience, saving you from potential hiccups down the line. Happy filing, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.